attempting to lower the drop-down bed, make sure to unfasten the safety straps in the two opposing corners. Lower the bed by lifting it up slightly to take the weight. Then push and hold in the button on the side of the bed to release the catch and pull down to lower. When attaching the ladder into the rungs, make sure to use the clips provided to secure it in place. To raise the bed, again, push it up slightly, hold in the button and lift. As a safety precaution, always remember to refasten the safety straps when the bed is in the raised position. The front seating area can be set up in 3 different ways. When driving, you'll need it configured in a way that gives you access to the belted seats, as is currently shown. To reconfigure it into a larger seating area, start by removing all of the cushions. Flip over the panel on the main seat that is closest to the window until it rests on the ledge of the small chair behind the driver's seat. Locate the small black handle under the side seat and use it to pull out the extension. Flip over the panel on the top to form the seat base. Then replace the cushions using the infills provided to make up the larger seat. To convert the lounge into a double bed, start by removing all of the cushions. Under the table on the right is a black clasp. Pull this down. This allows you to then slide the table into position. Pull it towards you and position it so that it fills the gap between the 2 side seats. Locate the table extension found in the wardrobe and slot it into the holes on the cab side of the table. Secure it in place with the clasp underneath. There is another lever under the table. Pull it to the left. This will allow you to then push the table down as far as it will go to create the base of the bed. Pull the lever back to the right to lock it into place. You may have to use a bit of force to get it to click and stay in position. With the table now in place, locate the base infill and position it next to the table between the dinette and side seats. Replace all the cushions as shown to make up the mattress, using the infill cushions provided. To convert the rear lounge into a bed, start by removing the cushions and pull out the slatted section from beneath the middle seat all the way to the end. Replace the cushions, flipping them over to give you a flatter lie and a more comfortable bed. You'll find some infill cushions under one of the seats to use as required to complete the mattress.